Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining the bonus problem for exam 2 for Chem 151. So the problem is a copper chloride hydrate has the following formula: CuCl2 times X H2O. The water in a 3.41 gram sample of the hydrate is removed by adding heat. The resulting compound has a mass of 2.69 grams. Find the number of waters of hydration, or X, in the hydrate. So at first I was like, okay, where do I start? But then I realized that I'm going to be looking for a ratio of copper chloride to the water. So what I did first was I realized with the water, the mass of copper chloride was 3.41. So I wrote that down. That's from the problem. After removing the water and heating it, the mass of the copper chloride was 2.69 grams. So what I did to find the mass of the water is subtract 2.69 from 3.41, which is the new from the initial. And that gave me 0.72 grams. So now I'm going to go into stoichiometry to find the moles of the compound and the water, because we're looking for the smallest number of moles for both of these to get the ratio. So I'm doing copper chloride first. There's 2.69 grams of copper chloride, and the actual molar mass of copper chloride is 134.45. I found this by adding the mass of copper, which is 63.55, plus the mass of chlorine, which is 35.45, but I multiplied that mass by 2 because there's 2 chlorines. So when I multiply and add that all together, I end up getting 134.45. There's 134.45 grams in 1 mole of copper chloride. So that's where we stop at because we're looking for the moles. So then I divided 2.69 by 134.45, and that gave me 0.02 grams of copper chloride in 1 mole. So then I need to do the same thing for the water. So what I did there, I found that there was 0.72 grams, and I did the same thing that I did in this. I found the molar mass of water, which is 2 times 1.008 for hydrogen plus 16 for oxygen, and that gives you a total of 18 grams. Then I did the same thing by dividing 0.72 by 18 grams, and that gave me 0.04. So now to find the ratio, what you have to do is pick out of these two which is a smaller number. So obviously it'd be 0.02 from the copper chloride. So I'm going to divide 0.02 by itself. That gives you 1. And then 0.04, the water, by 0.02. And that gives you 2. So this gives us a ratio of 1 to 2. So 1 compound to 2 water. So that's why I came to the conclusion X equals 2, because for every copper chloride compound, there's 2 water molecules. So that is it.